This is a very special Leica lens unboxing. This is a lens that I've been wanting for a while, and it means that I've now got every single one of the Leica Summilux lenses that are currently in production. So let's open it up and take a look. Whenever you're buying Leica gear, I always recommend insisting that you get new, still in its outer hygienic shroud, because then you know that nothing has ever, you know that your lens or your camera body has never been out of the box since it left the factory in Wetzlar, Germany. The Leica Summilux 28mm f1.4 spherical lens, model number 11668. The finest 28mm lens ever made. So let's open it up a bit more. It's fairly standard on the inside. This lens retails for about $10,000 Australian. I got mine at Photoco Camera House in Adelaide, where I buy all of my Leica gear now. Really, because they're just the best in terms of pricing and service, and they always seem to be able to get anything that everyone else seems to find hard to find. So you get a really thick instruction book for your lens, detailing everything, technical drawings, the works. You get a guarantee, and you get a signed test certificate as well. This product has been packed by, I guess, whoever that is, and it was meticulously examined, and it was meticulously examined by experienced professionals at several stages of production, signed by GP, I guess whoever that is. Okay. So let's take him out the leather pouch. You know, looking at the date of production, it seems this lens left Wetzlar, Germany on the 18th of February 2021. It's currently about the 25th of March 2021. So this lens is a very, very young lens. I'm just going to take him out of there and set him down there. Little hint for you. Underneath the bottom packaging in your Leica lens pouches, you normally find a second lens cap, which is actually really useful. So let's just take this out. Okay. That wasn't sealed on there very well, but that's alright. Wow, very, very heavy piece of glass. I'm going to go ahead and put a filter on this, and then we'll